The color on this thing is brilliant. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Jesse's Performance here. I am working on the Burn Bird tonight. I have taken a break on it. I went to Steve Morris's, got the motor deal done, dynoed it. I'm super excited to show you guys that. But in the meantime, I have a lot of work to do. As you can see, the interior is still bare metal. Okay, so the plan here is to mask it up, get it painted the super duper cool gold I found, show you guys a few tips and tricks along the way. And once it's gold, I'm going to dynamat all the flat sheet metal stuff just to make it not sound so much like a beer can. And then we're going to lay carpet in between each bar. So it's going to be a very tedious deal. Sean's going to come over and help me do it because he likes doing that kind of crap more than I do. But first things first, I need to get this thing masked and sanded and prepped and ready to paint. So we better get to work. All right, I got this bad boy masked up. I got it scotch brighted down. I got it wax and grease removed. It's looking pretty good. I got all the surface rust and oils from my hands touching it and stuff all off there. So, oh yeah, you can see the new wheels there, looking fresh. So now what I got here, I went over to the special paint store, also known as Home Depot. I got this special paint, also known as Rust-Oleum, right? This is like the kind of stuff that like you would think, oh, that's gonna be really gaudy, which I hope it's not. I did some test spray outs. It looks just really bright gold. So I have this here. I also do have a clear coat that we're gonna put over top of it. So hopefully I'm gonna spray it on there and I'm gonna see what it looks like. And hopefully it's bright gold, because that's what I'm after. I'm after like a crazy 80s look on this deal, you know, where it'd just be really bright gold, like not gold plated gold, but like gold. So I'm hoping that's what this turns out like. Let's see. so I got it gold. And you know what? That little Rust-Oleum rattle can stuff was the perfect color I was after. It is awesome. So now what I'm going to do is I got the matching Rust-Oleum clear here. I'm going to give this a whirl. It's a gloss clear. My only deal here is I'm just trying to keep it, like, if we do get something black on it or something, I want to be able to wipe it off and clean it up. And that's the only reason I'm using this clear for. I know it's probably not going to gloss it up much or give it much depth. I just want a protective coating for it for easy cleanup later. Now, anywhere there's going to be high traffic, like over the door bars and stuff, I am going to put probably either a clear vinyl or a carbon fiber vinyl or some sort of vinyl just to wear on, because this paint, no matter what paint it is, it just doesn't hold up to high traffic stuff. And then obviously in the back where we're gonna have people riding, I'm probably gonna put some roll bar padding. That way we don't have people hitting their heads on the bars. So yeah, let's get it done. So I waited about an hour or so for this stuff to dry up, like it says to, and then I hit it with the coat of this here. But strangely enough, I've never seen this before, but it is actually making the metallic like run off, like it's re-wetting it and encapsulating the metallic that's on this paint. I don't know if you can see it better here, but it's literally making it like run. Oh, there you go. It's making it run off. It's like lifting the metallic. So I guess I'm not going to be able to put a clear coat on this, because if I can't use the Rust-Oleum stuff, I'm not going to be able to use anything. But as you can see, the color on this thing is brilliant. All right, so I got this thing all painted. I tried to clear coat it. The clear coat sucked. I am going to have to find a different paint, I think, that's this color. Because I've tried enamel clear coats, lacquer clear coats, water-based clear coats. Nothing will work. I don't know why. It just makes this paint run off. And it says right on the can, do not use a clear coat. So obviously they know what their product's about. So I am on the hunt for another really cool gold color like this here. I'm gonna try some stores tomorrow and see what I can come up with something that's I can put a clear coat on, because without a clear coat, this stuff is not durable at all. So here I go. Also, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, ring the bell. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about our new way of doing these videos, where I'm showing you guys more hands-on stuff and not just, you know, doing stupid shit. So let us know. All right.